Here I'm just giving something attribute view name and the description I'm giving here, and attribute view automatically attribute view is coming here, and after that one the subtype is coming like standard and time and derived. Three subtypes are coming. So by default standard came here. Okay, fine. We will discuss about the time and derived bit later. Okay, and as of now I'm selecting the standard here and click on finish button here. Okay, so the screen is coming like this, something data foundation and some semantics and something the right side something is coming. Okay, so the data foundation is nothing but this is the place we can add something tables here. Okay, you can add something tables here. Click on this plus symbol here. Okay, I want to add MARA and MAKT, material and material description, like that I want to join here. Okay, now I will give something MARA table. Okay, MARA, but MARA table from which schema I have to consider. Here the tables are available in the catalog. Okay, the catalog something schemas are there, so each and every schema will contain some tables folder. The table folder will contain a few tables, right? But here I am writing something, I am designing something view here, attribute view here. Okay, so at that time I am giving something table name. Okay, table name MARA I am giving here. So at the time, so from which schema it has to consider. Okay, our schema is SAP HANA DB. Okay, so why SAP HANA DB? So that's what I will show you tomorrow. Tomorrow means in the next class. Okay, here as of now I am selecting MARA in bracket. I can see here SAP HANA DB. The same MARA table is available in another schemas also, in other schemas also. Okay, maybe that MARA is coming from different source, different different databases. Okay, and here I am using SAP HANA DB and click on OK button here. And if you see the MARA, the table is coming like this, the schema name and dot the table name, like that it is coming. And now we have to select how many fields you want to join here. Okay, how many of fields you want to display in final output. So those all fields we have to select here. So I am selecting as MANDT, and whenever we are working on information model or in AMDP or in native SQL like that, we have to maintain the client also. Okay, don't forget about this one. We have to maintain client also. And Matt now, MTOT, METKL. Fine. I'm just maintaining 4 columns here. Okay. I just selecting, by selecting the color of the radio button is coming as yellow, right? So MANDT, MATNA, MTRT, and MATKL, right? So these all fields are coming in the right side. If you see in the columns, MANDT, MATNA, MTRT, and MATKL. Okay, and if you want to add one more field here, so just I am selecting here ERNAM. So if you select ERNAM, the name is coming here ERNAM. Okay, if you want to move this ERNAM to bit, I mean this is coming in the 5th place, right? So if you want to move this ERNAM to the 3rd place or 4th place like that, so just select it here, and something options are some down arrow mark and up arrow mark is coming here. Okay, so move to up. So ERNAM is moved to 4th place. Now 3rd place. Okay, so if you want to move down, then this arrow mark, move down. And if you want to move at last, okay, move to bottom. And if you want to move at the top, the first one. Okay, so here something calculator columns are coming. I will discuss it a bit later. Fine, I have selected something columns here. Okay, and now I want to join this table with MAKT. Right, now Here plus symbol is coming. So click on this plus symbol, and now here you have to search for MAKT. Okay, so MAKT came, but in the bracket the schema name is also coming here. Okay, SAP HANA DB, and you have to select that one. Click on OK button. So SAP HANA DB.MAKT is coming here. Okay, in this table, I want to get to know something MAKTX. Okay, and SPRAs also I am selecting. So whatever the fields you are selecting here, those all fields will add in the right side columns. Okay, MAKTX, SPRAs, like that it is coming. Fine. What is the link here? What is the link? The material number, right? So how can we give the link in between of these two tables? Okay, and here material number is coming matter. Just click here and drag the something a line is coming here. If you observe something line is coming, so you have to link to matter here. Okay, so by giving this one, so this is the link here. Okay, link here. So if you click on that link here, some yellow line is coming here, right? So if you click on that link here, so you can see something here referential. Okay, join type is a referential. Okay, SAP is providing one more join here, referential join. Okay, as of now we know about inner join, left outer join, right outer join, something text join. I will discuss it now. Okay, text join or something referential join. Okay, by default referential join is coming, so it is nothing but inner join only. Referential join is nothing but inner join only, and the difference I will explain a bit later. Okay, so as of now I am selecting something text join here because I am working on something text here, material and material description. Okay, material and material description. So in that type of situations, okay, so one material may contain different descriptions in different languages, right? So that is a text here, material text. Okay, so if you want to join those type of tables at that time, we have to go for text join. Okay, in HANA database, they are giving a separate join for that one. Okay, now double click on this yellow line here, and now instead of referential join, I am selecting something text join here. And the language column is SPRAS. Okay, language column name we have to select here SPRAS and click on OK button here. Okay, I have selected that one and click on semantics button here. Okay, semantics button, and here I am selecting the matter as a key field. Okay, MATNR is coming, and just select the checkbox. Then this is the key field here. Okay, key field. Now save it, check it, and activate it. So I have to explain bit more in this area. I will explain. Okay, so save and validate. At that time, you can see something. The message is coming here. Okay, completed. Okay, completed with warnings, no issue. Okay, warnings. Now activate it. So this is the activate button, save and activate button. And if you see something running is coming. Okay, now completed successfully. Okay, activation completed successfully. Now I want to display the data here. Okay, so I want to display the data. So here something data preview is coming. Okay, data preview. So click on this data preview here. Okay, and here something raw data is coming. Click on this raw data and you can see the information. Okay, so information model. just drag and drop. Okay. Selecting. See here, I will come here once again. And if you want to add any table here, then what can we do? We have to click on this place button and we have to search for the table, right? And now here I will expand this catalog. Okay, I will expand this catalog. Our schema name is SAP HANA DB. SAP HANA DB is this one. And here tables is this one. I want to add some MARC table also. Okay, I want to join MARC table also. So I will go to filters here. I will give the MARC table. So MARC came here. Now I will drag this table from left side to right side here. Okay, just select it and drag to this data foundation. So once again, MARC to data foundation. See here, MARC table came here. Okay, and we need to give the link to MARC table. Okay, one more option is there. Okay, to add the table, to join the table, here one more option is there, that is dragging and dropping. Okay, we have to go to that schema table and we have to drag the table to data foundation here. Then we can give the link. Okay, so as of now, I'm removing it here. Just option is there, that's what I'm showing you. Okay, just drag and drop tables. We can join the tables. Okay, we can join the tables here. So is there any technical things are applying here? No, we are not applying in technical things. Just uh, graphical way. Okay, in the graphical way, it is showing something tables here. Just I'm adding the tables and selecting the fields. How many fields we want to display? Those fields I'm selecting here and I'm giving something link here. Okay, in between of those two tables, what is the link? So that link I'm adding. That's it. Right. So there is not required any technical guy for this one. Okay, either functional also can do this one if they know the business. Okay, business means so whatever the data we have to display and whatever the links in between of the two tables or multiple tables. So if the functional guide know that one, they can easily can create this one. Not I mean they will not depend on any ABAP. Okay, so this is an advantage here. Not required any technical consultant. Even functional also can do this one, or any business user, end user also can do this one easily. Okay, no programming. Okay, here I'm not writing single letter also. Okay, I'm not writing any single letter also. Just I'm just dragging and dropping the tables and selecting the columns and joining types also they are giving just by clicking on drop down button. I am selecting some types here: inner join, left outer join, or text join, something like that. Save and activate like that I'm doing. Just I'm displaying the data. Okay, no programming. So this is very easy to develop the object. Okay, it's very easy to develop the object. So this is the advantage. This is okay, fine. Advantages are okay, fine. Okay, but if you want to add something complexity here, is it possible? Okay, so it's not possible. In complexity code like that is not possible. By dragging and dropping the table, by selecting the fields like that, it is not possible. Okay, we need to write something code. That is okay. That is a different part. Okay, fine, fine. Now So I have created something view here, at underscore, where is it? At underscore material. Okay, this is my attribute view. Now I want to use this attribute view in ABAP layer. Okay, here I'm creating this attribute view on top of database. Okay, directly on database layer I'm creating this attribute view. Now I want to use this attribute view in the application layer, I mean in the ABAP program. I want to use this one. How can we use? Okay, directly that is not possible because I'm creating this attribute view in database layer. Okay, I'm creating this view in database layer, so directly that is not possible. If I create something table, okay, I will create some. Okay, here ABAP layer is not working. Okay, if I create any table in ABAP layer in SE11 transaction, okay, at that time the table will save automatically in the database because the functionality, the configuration they have given like that. From application layer to database layer, whatever we are creating in application layer, those all things will come to the database layer, but the configuration is not available from database layer to application layer. Okay, whenever we are creating something on top of database layer, those all that object will not use, will not move to application layer. Okay, we have to do it manually. Okay, that is one drawback here. Okay, each and everything, so we are creating something, I mean some hundreds of views. Okay, hundreds of information models, attribute view, analytical view, calculation views, those all things we have to move to application layer here. So two jobs we are doing. First job is creating the views in the HANA database, and moving, second job is moving the uh, views. Okay, moving views from database to application layer. Same work, same, uh, for same output, for single output, two jobs we are working here, two times we are working here. Fine, let me move this one to application layer. Okay, how can we move this one to application layer? Okay, for that one I have to go to this ABAP perspective, but in ABAP perspective I don't have something user ID password, something is locked here. Yeah, tomorrow I will discuss about that one also. Okay, how can we move this, how can we use this attribute view in the application layer? Okay, that one also I will discuss it tomorrow. Fine. And if you see here, something type is coming. Okay, type. So here something, a symbol is coming. Okay, if you move the cursor on top of that icon, okay, you can see something AB. Okay, and AB, after that one MTART is coming. If I move the cursor a bit more, a bit up here, ERNAM is coming. So here also AB, ERNAM. AB is coming in slight sky blue color, and ERNAM is coming in the black colors. Okay, I will move to another one. Here also AB is coming in the sky blue and matter is coming in black color. Means this is the dimension. Okay, this is the dimension. This is the text data only. This is not the quantity field, or this is not the price field like that. Okay, this is the normal text field. So for that one, the symbol, the icon is coming like this. Okay, and if you want to select something, uh, quantity field. Okay, if you want to select the quantity field, then how it will show here? Okay, it will treat as the quantity, or it will treat as the characters, letters. Okay, we will see that one also. And now if you click on this view properties, this is the column this is the column tab here, and I am going to view properties tab here, and you can see here something column view name. Okay, column view name means whatever the view you are creating, okay, at any package. Okay, you can create here, a lot of packages are there. In the content, I have created AOH2. Okay, somebody is created something Paul and Hana. So like that. So different guys, they have created different packages, right? So wherever they created the view, whatever it is, attribute analytical calculation, whatever it is. Okay, so for those views, it is creating one column view. Okay, for every view, it will create one column view. So the column view, the naming is coming like sysbig. Okay, underscore sys underscore bac. Okay, this is one schema here. Okay, sysbig is the schema here. In this sysbig schema, the by using the package name and slash the view name. Okay, it is saving in this location. Okay, sysbig schema. In this sysbig schema, by using the package name slash view name, it is saving the column view. Okay, let me open it. Okay, let me open it. Just activate it here. It's activated. See, if you see here, sysbig is coming here, and just expand it here, and now you can see something column views in the first folder only. Okay, column views. Now expand it here, so it will show a lot of views here. Okay, it will show a lot of views here. Okay, now I want to search for our view. Okay, this AT underscore material, right? So right click on this column view and click on filter, filters, and here I'm searching for AT underscore material. Click on OK button. Okay, and you can see AOH. Okay, AOH2 slash AT material. Okay, this is our uh, uh, view. Just double click on it. Okay, so this is the view here. Okay, this is the view here, and you can click on this create statement. Okay, and now you can see something SQL view. Okay, SQL view means, so whatever the tables we are dragging and dropping to the data foundation, and we are selecting something fields. Okay, and we are giving something key fields. So these all things, okay, in the background it is creating this much of code. Just we are dragging and dropping, so we don't know what is going on background. Okay? So in background it is creating something SQL view by using native SQL. Okay? By using native SQL, it is creating something view here. Okay, here MAKT table we are using, and we are using something MA array table. Okay, so like that it is showing here something fields we are selecting. So these all things will come here. Okay, in this is a different way. Fine. Okay, so what is the use of this column view here? Okay, in this, wherever the package you have created the views, all the views will come under only one folder, that is column views. Okay, in sysbig folder in column views, you can check for the view name here. Okay, all views will save under this one, and this is a central one. If you want to use outside, if you want to uh, send it to outside, like some tools are there, some BIBO tools like that. So at that time, we have to consider from this sysbig schema only. Okay, so at that time, I will show you what is the use of this big schema and this column views bit later. Okay, as of now, so whatever the view we are creating, those all views are saving under big schema and in the column views. Okay, and by clicking on this create statement, we can see the background. Okay, how the data is, how the view has created. Okay. And here one more button is there, so export SQL. Here create statement is there, so whatever it is, both are same here. Okay, create statement, or you can click on this export SQL, so both will give the same screen here. Okay, how the view has created in the SQL language, that's what is coming here. Okay, fine. I'm displaying something data here. Where is it? Okay, I am displaying something data here, and now if you see here, something analytics is there. Okay, analytics means we can display the data in the graphical way. Okay, and here something SPRAS I will take, and something material group I will take here, MTRT. 1 minute. So in the languages and material groups, and if you want to display that one in the something pie charts, we can go like this. Okay, so 1010, and this is the English language, and so 1010 material has created in the different languages. So at that time it will, I mean, uh, in different ways we can see this one. Okay, and here this is the master data, so I'm not able to show you in the proper way. So if I take something transaction data, something price or quantity like that, then I can show you in the more understandable format. Okay, here whatever the fields I have to select, so all the uh, text data only here. Okay, there is no measurement data. So I will discuss the measurement data in the next analytical view. Okay, in attribute view, it will not allow. For example, I will create one more view here. So AOH2, this is our package, and click on new and click on attribute view here. And here I want to add something sales order information, and click on label, and here sales order information I'm taking, the standard attribute view, and the subtype is standard only I'm taking, and remaining subtypes I will discuss it bit later, and click on finish button. And now my requirement is I will add here something VBAK table. In this VBAK, I am selecting from SAP HANA DB. Okay, fine. I'm just adding only one table here, and MANDT is required, and BBELN and VBTYP and NETWR is coming here. Okay, net value. Okay, net value, or something customer I will take. So if you don't find any field name, so you can click on Control F button. So Control F output is coming here, and you can search for KVNNR. Okay, I'm giving the KVNR here, and the Kunar field is coming here. Just select it here. Okay, and you can close this one. Okay. So Kunar field also came now. Now I'm selecting only this table. I'm not joining any table here. Just I'm adding only one table. And now, if I click on the semantics button, we need to select the key field here, right? So VBELN as a key field I'm selecting here. And if you see, NETWR. Okay, for NETWR, it is the it is not dimension here. This is a fact. Fact means something number. Okay, this is a numeric field. Okay, something quantity or something price or something number. So like that it will be there. Okay, so but for that one also it is showing something same. Okay, here something 1 2 is coming in the sky blue color and NETWR is coming here, right? So this is the same icon is coming here. So for VBELN or for VBTYP, so what is the icon is coming? The same icon is coming for NETWR also. Okay, NETWR also. If we are passing something quantity field or price field, then also system is considering like this is the character field only. Okay, this is a character field only. Like that, it is system is considering here. System is not considering like this is the quantity field or this is the price field like that, numeric field. System is not considering like that because this is the attribute view. Attribute view will work for only master data. Okay, it will not considering any transaction data. Okay, any numeric data it will not consider here. If you take it manually, okay, if you take numeric data forcefully, then system will consider it as the master data only. Okay, in the interview you may get the question like, okay, how can you add something transactional data in the attribute view? We can add the transactional fields here, but system will not considering as the transactional field. It will consider as the dimension field, master data field. Okay, fine. And anyone have doubts up to here in this information model or any previous concepts? Okay, you don't have fine. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This one, right? So this information model, this is also one code pull down techniques, but we are not using frequently this one because of some drawback. Okay, because of some drawback means we are creating something view on top of database, and after that one we are not able to use uh, this view directly in the ABAP layer. Okay, so we have to move this one to ABAP layer one more time. After creating the view, we have to move to application layer or ABAP layer. That is one thing. And second thing is transporting. Okay, transporting means from development to quality, quality to production. How to move this one? Okay, so here instead of the TR concept, it is coming like something delivery unit. Okay, instead of TR, we will use delivery unit here. Okay, so we need to move the delivery unit, and if we should not move the TR at that time, some type conflict will come here. Means the dumps will come here. Okay, tomorrow I will show you that one. Okay, the TR management is difficult. That is why we are not using this one frequently. This information model view, we are not using it frequently. But before 7.4, there is no CDS concept, CDS or AMDP concepts. At that time, they were using this information model. Okay, now CDS and AMDP came into the picture, so not required to go to this information model. But still, if you guys are using this calculation view, because in this calculation view, we can drag and drop the tables, and we can write the code also by using SQL, native SQL. Okay, two types are there. In the graphical way also we can work, and by writing the code also we can work on the calculation view. So that's why if you guys are working on this calculation view, still but not frequently, but very rarely they are working. Okay, fine. If you have any doubt, then please ping me, then I will respond. And tomorrow I cannot take class as Sunday, so I will continue the class on Monday at 6 a.m. Okay, then bye. Jai Hind.